Hey everyone, I've been watching a lot of internet videos about how to enhance online learning, and I thought that would share a little tip that I learned that's been helpful to me. So, with course reimbursement coming up, and I feel like this would have been helpful a little while ago because I recently took a class on sociology and I received this booklet of articles, and I was like, how am I going to get these articles online so I can share them with my students? If I take a picture, sometimes the kids can't read it, it's not in the right format. I just want it to be a PDF or some other official document type thing. So, this is a tip to help everyone that wants it to make a document that you have as a hard copy into a PDF. So, you need an iPhone. I don't know how to do this from an Android. I don't know how to do it from a BlackBerry. I don't know how to do it from a flip phone. This, again, is only an iPhone trick that is online. I'm sure there's a way to do it from an Android phone, but here we go. So you open your phone. I'm sorry it's so hard to see, but you go into Notes. And then what you do is you go on the bottom. I have a few notes here, and you're going to create a new note, which is using this square with the pencil. Then this little screen will pop up. It has options. Usually most people would just start typing into their notes. Well, you actually need to go over to this little camera button and hit that. So once you hit the camera button, it'll come up to say scan documents. So what you have to do then is hit scan documents. It'll look like a camera. So go to whatever article that you want to, or you get your transcript from your university that you want, and you have to take a picture of it. Try to lay it as flat as possible, not essential. You'll see when it comes to cropping. So you take a picture of it, bam, and then you can crop a piece of it, the document, or you can expand that to be the full page. It'll actually take the title of the article right off the page for you and make that the title of your thing. So you can see here, mine's not perfectly square because my picture wasn't perfectly square, but when you crop it, it'll help alter that so you get just the right information. So don't be worried if you have to like lay a page flat, put your hand at the bottom of it, just crop that out after. Or if like your table or feet or whatever else is in it, your cat, whatever. So press keep scan. And then it actually gives you an option to scan the next page. So this article is a couple of pages. You scan the next page, you do your quick crop on it, whatever. All done. Ooh, keep scan. All right, so once you're finished with this, what you're going to do is you're going to press save. And it'll take this note and it will make it its own little document, right? But you're like, this isn't helping me. So what you need to do is actually export it. So see the little square with the arrow going out? That means export out. So you're going to hit that. And then you can put it in your Google Drive if you have it on your phone. You can email it to yourself. It's already a PDF. So at this point, this document is a PDF. It's ready to go. It's official. So you can either, like I said, you can email it to yourself. You can add it to your Google Drive if you have your accounts linked, like from your phone to your Google Drive. Just make sure, like it's in the right place. I have a couple of different Drive accounts. So then you just upload it and it should be ready to go. So that's the tip for today. Have a great day.